Hello and welcome to the Sassy Sarcastic channel by Nankami Sundar, that's me. So Flipkart had a sale going on a few days back, and while looking for new makeup I found the strangest looking highlighter ever. This highlighter is supposedly in a balmy consistency and it's shaped in a concealer stick. This came in today and this is the actual product. It's the MUA LUXE Ombre 3-shade shimmer. It is the shimmer highlighting stick. It has 3 shades. You can see there's a bronzy shade. I don't know if my camera is catching it. There's this bronzy shade, a neutral highlight, and a blushy pinkish shade. So it swatches somewhat like this. You can see the difference in the swatch. This is the bronzy shade. Neutral actually mixes it, and then comes the blushy pink thing. And I'm in love with this product. It's just priced at $569 or $560, I guess. I don't know the discount. And I'm totally in awe of this product. It's so easy to use. It has a lot of product. You can see I've actually torn the packaging that contained all the information, so I cannot read it out. And it has a shelf life of 12 months. So 12 months is a long time. You can use this up, I guess. And it does not need much of an effort to put it up, and it's very easy to use. If you're a makeup beginner, I would suggest using this because it's really easy. I'll be showing it to you right now. All you have to do is take the stick, keep the highlighting, the bronzer shade on the top and the pink one down below, and pull it on your face. Keep repeating till you get the required amount. Do it on both sides. And line on your nose with whichever shade you want. A little bit on your lips, chin, above the eyebrows, and on the brow bone. Take a blender and just blend it. You might want to do your brow bone with your fingers, so and that's it, you're done. It's really bang on shimmery, and it also gives a literally a very healthy glow. It's not very artificial looking. It does not have very big, glitter chunks on it. It's very smooth on application and it stays on. I hope it stays on. I'll probably do a check-in if required. I'm liking the color. I'm liking the shine. I'm liking everything about it, and it all comes for just $560. I'm totally in love with this product. At first, I must say I was apprehensive about it because the consistency and the shape, I was not very sure of how it would function, but this is a good purchase. I would suggest I would link the product down below if I can find the link, that is. And it's available in Nykaa as well, but I found this one cheapest on Flipkart. In Nykaa, I think it ranges from 900 to 800. And so this is one of the best highlighters that I've come across till now. It's so easy. So I'm checking in on my makeup, and this is what it looks like right now. I had wrapped up shooting around 1:30. It's .6 right now, and you can see that the shine is still there. It's still glimmering. My nose is shiny. The pigment is still falling off, and I am amazed at how good this is. I totally recommend this. This is the best highlighter I've come across till date. In a budget that's around 500 or just above 500. This is one of the best ones that I've come across, and it's highly recommended. Makeup starter, regular user, it's a must buy. It's just a must buy. I'm totally in love with the look. It's still there. My eyeliner has started wearing off. My kajal is smudging, but the highlighter is still there. It's totally glimmering. It's on my finger as well. I mean, I love it, and it has survived shampooing as well. So the verdict is I'm in love with it. I'll just zoom it in. You can see the shine is still there. You can see the shine. It's amazing. It's totally amazing. I love the product. I highly recommend this, and just for $560, it's a steal. It's actually a steal. Just go ahead and buy it right now. Easy to use and so pigmented. This is it's bang on. I totally love this product. So that's all for today, and New videos every Monday and Thursday, if I can upload, that is. If not, every Tuesday and Friday. And in case you like the content, like the video as well. And don't forget to subscribe, and all my social media links are given down below. If you want, you can connect with me on that as well. That's all for today. Please stay tuned, more to come. Thank you, and I'm out.